Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. आज एक स्पेशल डे है, बेटा का कन्वोकेशन है एमिटी में, तो हम लोग वहीं जा रहे हैं। तो MBA का कन्वोकेशन है। इंजीनियरिंग का कन्वोकेशन में हम लोग जा नहीं पाए क्योंकि कोविड थे उस टाइम, और इस बार अभी हम लोग इसलिए जा रहे हैं। तो ये है संजू। ओके, मिलेंगे फिर एमिटी में। सो यहाँ रजिस्ट्रेशन हो रहा है। ये मास्टर्स, बैचलर्स, PhDs एंड अदर अवार्ड्स सभी का अलग अलग काउंटर्स है, और सबका रजिस्ट्रेशन होने के बाद फिर वहाँ एंट्री अलाउ किया है। ये एंट्री हो गया है, अभी अंदर जा रहे हैं। Entry to convocation venue. So everybody is wearing the black coat. All are the bachelors. Looks great.
And diploma programs of business administration, commerce, management, finance, age-based campuses, hotel management, hospitality, tourism, travel, Amity University Dubai, management and commerce, Amity University Dubai, architecture and planning, and interior design, only MBA CPM, Amity University Dubai, tourism and hospitality.
To reach that point of success, to achieve the highest educational degree from a wonderful institute like Amity University.
And also that everyone has reached great heights, beginning from the lowest.
Professor Dr. Rohit Kushwaha, Lucknow HOI, Dr. Swati Priya, AUGN HOI, Brigadier H.S. Dani, AUGN HOI, Dr. Amit Hajela, AC Exam Committee and IQAC, Professor Dr. B.K. Modi, AC, Dr. Nirupma Prakash, AC, Professor Dr. R.S. Rai, AC, Professor Dr. M.K. Pandey, AC and HOI, Professor Dr. Jayanti Pujari, AC Exam Committee, IQAC, Professor Dr. Pradeep Joshi, AC, IQAC, HOI, Mr. Ashish Bindra, CFO, GBFC and Finance Committee, Professor Dr. D.K. Bandyopadhyay, EC and IQAC, Commodore A. Jai Singh, Professor Dr. Gurinder Singh, Group Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. Balvinder Shukla, Vice Chancellor, Amity University, Uttar Pradesh, Professor Dr. M. Srinivas, Honoris Causa recipient, Dr. Ashsim Chauhan, Chancellor, AUH and Chair.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Honorable Founder President, Honorable Chancellor, Trustees, Pro-Vice Chancellors, Deans, Head of Institutions, faculty members, alumni and students, I extend a very warm welcome to all of you on the 18th Convocation of Amity University, Uttar Pradesh, being held in a hybrid mode both on campus as well as virtually, scheduled on 10th, 11th and 12th November 2022. It is an honor and a privilege to welcome Honorable Founder President, Honorable Chairperson Ma'am, Honorable Chancellors, the
accolades, including CEO's Choice Lifetime Achievement Award 2021, the nation's highest independent civilian honor, instituted by Scotch Group and CEO's Association for Inclusive India, CAII. He is the recipient of many prestigious awards, including CEO of the Year Award at the Raymond CEO Forum India Awards 2022. Most Inspiring Business Leader of Asia and the Economic Times Asian Business Leaders Conclave 2022. An outstanding citizen.
Congratulations to Priya and Samir.
On! Go!